Have you ever thought who is better in solving problems, humans or ants? Scientists have the same question. So scientists conducted an interesting experiment to test this. They gave a team of humans a T-shaped object to navigate through a maze, but with one condition: no communication, just like ants rely on gestures. Despite intelligence, human couldn't solve the problem and failed. The same challenge was given to a group of ants. To everyone's surprise, they solved it effortlessly. Now the big question here, why? Human lacked coordination. Each person tried their way, relying on shortcuts, thinking their idea was the best, leading to confusion and that to failure. On the other hand, ants worked like a single entity with the one goal. Their unity and strategic moves made them succeed. This teaches us the immense power of unity. While human intelligence is superior, it often gets stuck in shortcuts, whereas ants' teamwork and collective purpose led them to success. Imagine if in your family, society, offices, we work with unity, what problem we couldn't solve. So next time, if you face any challenge, take inspiration from ants. The true success lies in working as one unit. Tell me, does your family or team work like a single entity? Share your thoughts in comments and let's learn from these ants, creates a better and united society. See you again.